Southern California, AM 1220 KHTS. This is your host Fred Arnold on the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight. I'm with Craig Ingber, medical doctor, and your DermaCure of Valencia. You're also a fellow Seroptimist model with me.
That's right.
In the springtime. We participate in that and donate to that event. So welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So let's talk about what your DermaCure in Valencia does. What do you specialize in?
Well, I'm a facial plastic surgeon. It does say DermaCure, but I'm not a dermatologist, number one. The office is basically a medical office that specializes in medical aesthetics. And what that means is I used to do a lot of surgery, and when I kind of retired from surgery 7 years ago, I opened up this practice with the idea of continuing to work cosmetically on men and women without doing surgery. And modern advances in the techniques we use have allowed us to do that and get incredible results.
So let's talk about some of the results you could do without surgery.
All right,
because
great.
that sounds scary to some people.
That's
so
true.
how can you do it where it's not evasive?
Okay.
Did I get that right?
Invasive is a good word,
invasive.
yeah. Basically that's what we've done. We tried to take out the invasive procedures, which eliminates most of the pain, most of the downtime, and a lot of the cost. So what we do at DermaCure is two different things. We do injectables, which basically is Botox for wrinkles, and we do dermal fillers such as Juvederm, which fills in volume loss that people have, causes sagging of the skin, and the deeper wrinkles in spaces like the nasolabial folds. The other thing we do a lot of is lasers. Now, some of them are true lasers, and some of them are, quote, light treatments, IPLs. So we have about 7 or 8 different lasers that work on wrinkles, pores, texture, brown spots, redness, rosacea, acne scars, melasma, you name it. We also have lasers that take care of spider veins on the legs and the face and the chest. We have lasers that remove hair from women who want not to have to shave anymore. We even have a laser called liposonics, which can eliminate fat. So basically that's it. And patients come in, we do a consultation for free, and then we tell them what is available, and then whatever fits in their budget, we go ahead and proceed.
What can be treated? So let's talk about some of the simple ones that people always ask me about. Brown spots. You've been out in the sun when you were younger, especially me when I was a younger kid at cleaning pools, out in the sun a lot, and you develop brown spots. Those are laser treated?
Correct. They can be treated by products. There are some products that will, over a fairly long period of time, help eliminate brown spots, but those products are better used to prevent the brown spots from coming back. So we have 3 different lasers that work on brown spots, and 2 of them cause the brown spots to get a little darker for about a week, and then they peel off, and 1 of them just fades the brown spots. It's important to have 3 different lasers because it depends on what's causing the brown spots. It's not all just sun. And also on the skin type of the person. If you're dealing with a Hispanic or Asian person, you can't use the same laser, certainly not the same settings as you would on a Caucasian.
Because of different color skins. Well, one of the benefits of, or one of the disadvantages, I should say, of losing weight, because I lost a little bit of weight, is the fact that you seem to get more wrinkles when you lose weight because you're not carrying as much full of a face. Tell us about how you treat that in people that want to get rid of some of those years.
Right. Yeah, skin sagging is one of the major problems we treat, and there are 2 ways of treating it. We have the latest device for skin sagging. It's called Ulthera. It's not a laser. It works by ultrasound, same type of technology it's used to look at a baby, although it's concentrated and it's 1,000 times stronger, therefore producing collagen stimulation in the deeper layers of the skin. And that gives really nice results. You can also get the same results by using fillers. And there's a brand new one out by Juvederm called Voluma. It came out about a month ago, and we've already done 100 syringes of it. It's amazing. It's put in front of the ears and along the upper jawline, And what that does is it actually pulls the skin upward, getting rid of what women call the marionette lines, the nasolabial folds, and the jowls. And it's a product that lasts 2 years, according to the FDA, which, really is a miracle.
Yeah, and that's great for people that just want to feel a little bit better.
Correct.
Yeah, sometimes it's about just that little bit of confidence you want to have. What else do you treat besides aging?
Well, as I said, we treat spider veins. We treat people who want to get rid of some hair, all parts of the body. We treat bulging. The liposonics I mentioned is good for love handles and saddlebags. Women will know what I'm talking about when I say that. And little stomach pooches. It's not meant for obese people to try and get fat. This is for people who take good care of themselves and just can't get rid of that last little bit.
They work hard, especially
Right.
moms that have had several kids.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you can also tighten that skin with that Ulthera. It doesn't work just on the face. It actually works on elbows, knees, upper arms, stomach. The technology is amazing. People come in and they say to me exactly what I say to myself when I look in the mirror. I want to look the age I feel. I don't feel like I'm 50. I'm running, I'm working out, I'm eating well. I feel like I'm 35. Why can't I look like that? Well, you can. And you can do it without surgery, and that's the amazing
And you can
part.
help those, Dr. Craig. So, location. I know where you're at, but...
Right. We're right across the street from the football field at Valencia High in what's known as the Smythe Medical Plaza. And we're open 5 days a week. Consultations are free.
Yep. Go visit Dr. Craig Ingber. Your phone number to make an appointment.
661-257-8400.
Yep, perfect. And I'll see you on the runway at the Sir Optimist Fashion Show.
You got it. Thanks, Fred. Thanks for having me.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Craig Ingber, medical doctor, DermaCare of Valencia. Well, hope you enjoyed this edition of the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight on AM 1220 KHTS.